Zomervakantie normaal. Moet ik nou verplicht met mijn ouders mee wandelen in de Belgische Ardennen? Of ga ik gewoon...
Got a Kadett back. After some welding work, it's on the road again. I'm welding that new parts. I need another one. This is too bad. It's blue inside. I don't like blue. But yeah. It's in 1.3. Of course, I got always 1.3s. I'm busy with my record, Opel record wagon. Yeah. Is going to get a hook for the trailer, tow bar, so I think it must gone, it's too loud. Hoi. I'm making a slideshow what I have doing on this car, what I have done on this car. It's not ready, but yeah. I got now 3 Kadetts. I got the black wagon, the older from YouTube, and I got a 3 doors, but I like the old sedans. So we got it back. Got this car from a friend from Enschede, Netherlands. Only it's not a good a long time ago I put a movie on YouTube. I'm too busy. And the new YouTube, I don't like it any much. So damage. It don't work. But the gas is fuel is it's fuel. Bad English. It's too hot last time, so we put it in a just on. It's my brother, his Kadett, so I put it behind it. It's too hot. Got a nice engine, that Kadett. Got a turbo. Yeah. It's my brother, his Kadett. Now there are coming more movies now. Bye.